Hello, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy spiced tapioca pudding. This is a really fun dish, an easy dish if you have a last minute party to go to or you just want to celebrate with your friends and family. So for this recipe you're going to need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of minute tapioca, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and for ours we're going to be using this Golden Moon milk by Clover Sonoma. We're also going to need a liquid measuring cup, measuring spoons, a mixer, hand mixer. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to separate the yolk from the whites for this egg. So in the biggest bowl that you plan to have the whites in, because those are what we're going to be beating into stiff peaks, we want to put the whites in the biggest bowl. I like to just let it flow through my hands. My hands are clean. And from there I'll just jiggle it a little bit. That's how I do it. There's lots of fancy ways you can do it, but this is how I do it. And you can go ahead and just put the yolk in the other bowl. Okay, now that we have our whites in the largest bowl and the yolk in the smaller bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of sugar to our whites. Now I've already separated out 3 tablespoons of sugar into 2 bowls to make this easier. But first we want to beat the whites a little bit before we add our sugar, and we're going to gradually add the sugar slowly so we don't overdo it. Okay, now that it's a little bit foamy, I don't know if you can see that, it's a little foamy in there. We're gonna start gradually adding our sugar until we get soft peaks. So I've got my sugar here, and I'm gonna start adding that in. Okay, so I'm just checking now to kind of get a sense of whether I have soft peaks. Now those are pretty soft. They're not, I mean, yeah, that's pretty soft peak. I might have done that a little bit long if I'm being honest, but it's still gonna taste delicious and be good. So we can set this aside and start on our yolk. So for our yolk, we're actually going to mix versus beat. Beat generally means with a hand mixer, and I'm going to do this by hand. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of tapioca, and we're gonna need our 2 cups of milk, and it's always recommended that you look from the side to make sure that you're getting it level. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the 3 tablespoons of sugar that we already divided out earlier. Okay, so now that we've let our egg yolks mixture wait 5 minutes, we are going to go ahead and pop this into a saucepan to bring to a boil. And you want it to be a constant boil. All right, so now you can see after putting the lid on that it's rolling. The boil is definitely full force. So now we're gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna go ahead and pop that to the side. And once we add these egg whites, we have to constantly keep stirring because we're essentially cooking the eggs without making scrambled eggs. So I'm just gonna put it in there and stir, stir, stir. It seems a little crazy and this could end up horrible. This is probably the hardest, most dangerous part of the recipe, because if, like I said, you don't stir it enough, you will end up with scrambled eggs instead of a delicious pudding. So, but just do it with confidence. Don't, get too fearful. I gotta get that workout. Okay, and then finally, to kind of cut that sweet savoriness that comes with those Christmassy flavors and those spicy flavors, I'm gonna add vanilla. This is a teaspoon, but I only have a quarter spoon, so I'm using 2 of them. And then I'm gonna stir that in. And so yeah, so you can let that sit with the lid on it, let it thicken and cool, and eat it slightly warm. That's actually how I prefer it. It's just a little bit warm. But then you can also enjoy it the next day, cold. Okay, so this is the final product. It's a spiced tapioca pudding. You can serve it something like this if you wanted to be a little more fancy, or you could just stick it in a bowl. I like to put a little whipped cream on top and a little nutmeg to kind of give it that holiday feel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope you make it. Please let me know if you do.